White-breasted wood swallows usually live close to fresh water in eucalypt forests and open woodlands, but they'll also occupy areas around tree-lined watercourses, including mangroves, as well as being found on the coast near the beach. You can easily identify them. They look like they've got a hood on their head and their breast is white. White-breasted wood swallows are a sociable little bird. They often like to huddle together in lines along a tree branch. These wood swallows live in a mangrove estuary that borders onto woodland and ocean beach. They've been flying on and off branches of a sea hibiscus tree. They're mostly insect eaters, catching their food in flight, so they need to keep their feathers in good working order. While they're perched on these sea hibiscus branches, they spend some time removing dirt and any parasites from their feathers. They also spend their time aligning their feathers to keep them in optimal shape. And all this effort so they can fly off and catch an insect. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.